This sweet bread, coated with sesame seeds, is a favorite bread in many Latin American bakeries. This is a great and easy bread to make. Enjoy this recipe. Pour 200 grams or 3/4 cups of milk in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 100 grams or 2 large eggs. Add 100 grams or half a cup of sugar and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. To make this 50% hydration sourdough starter, combine in a bowl 25 grams or 1 3/4 tablespoons of water. Add 25 grams or 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter and 50 grams or a third of a cup of flour. Mix all ingredients with a silicone spatula until all the ingredients come together. Then, take the dough out of the bowl and place it on your working table. Knead the dough for a minute or two until the dough has a nice soft consistency. Place the dough back in the bowl and cover it with a lid. I am making double the quantity here for another recipe, so I am proofing this sourdough starter in 2 separate bowls for about 4 to 8 hours or until the sourdough doubles in size. Back to the recipe. Use the hook attachment to mix the ingredients until the sourdough starter dissolves in the mix. Then, add 500 grams or 4 cups of bread flour into the mixing bowl. Knead until all the ingredients are well combined. Then add little by little 100 grams or a 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of butter cut in small pieces at room temperature. Add 8 grams or 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt and knead until the dough is soft, elastic, and it doesn't stick to the walls of the bowl for about 20 minutes. Take the dough out of the bowl, place it on your working table, stretch the dough on itself, and make a ball of dough. Look at how smooth and soft this dough is. It is ready to proof. Place the dough in a grease-proofing bowl and cover the dough with a lid or a plastic wrap. Let the dough proof in a warm place for 4 to 8 hours or in the fridge overnight for at least 8 hours. When the dough is ready, divide it in 8 equal pieces. Roll the dough on the counter until you have a long roll of dough of about 15 inches or 40 centimeters. Dust the dough with flour in all the surface of the dough. Braid the dough together this way and then create a wreath. Stick the pieces of dough together and then roll the dough on your working table with your hand. Arrange the dough and place the wreath on the table while you start making the rest of the wreaths. Once your wreaths are shaped, place the wreaths in a solution of 1 cup of molasses and half a cup of water. Let the dough absorb some of the solution and then place the dough in a container filled with sesame seeds. Make sure to coat well the dough with the sesame seeds on both sides and place the wreaths in a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Cover the dough with plastic wrap or a plastic lid and let the dough proof for about 2 hours. Place the wreaths in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. Get the bread out of the oven and let it cool off for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This bread is so soft, delicious and fragrant. The sesame seeds give this bread a very delicious flavor. Enjoy! Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.